Okay, so I'm on a roll with these videos, so why not show off something else? This is gonna be technically under the high new. This will be part 3, showing off the backpack. I really don't think it's necessary to show off the other components because you've already seen it. There's definitely lots and lots of videos now that I'm not the first one to do it. But yeah, this is a completely new backpack for the Nu Gundam. It does not use any of the frame from the Hainu Verka, so how this will plug in is through this new ABS piece, and it'll just connect straight to the back. It's pretty loose, just because it just goes in and out, but what I can do is put some super glue here, spray some Instaset, so I'll thicken this, and perhaps I'll do that on the other side, and that will keep everything connected. Alternatively, I can use AB putty, shove some of that putty into the back of the high news cavity, and then just put this in and let that AB putty cure so it's permanently bonded into the backpack. I would do that, of course, right after when I'm done with the torso. So build process is pretty easy for this. For the thrusters, you shouldn't get this mixed. The top and the bottom thrusters are the same, with the exception of one piece that connects it to the actual backpack. Everything is held in by blue tack, so that's just so I don't screw it up mid build and I'm like, ah crap, gotta damage the kit. So the thrusters, you're gonna have metal thrusters, and they'll just kind of pin in. What I would do is pin the base into the backpack and glue everything shut. They also recommend pitting the backpack right here where this connects the funnels. What they recommend is a 1.5 mil brass rod, I think. I can try and do 2. Same thing with the beam saber holder. That's gonna get pinned in. The beam saber is pretty loose right now, so it's held up by tape. One issue I have with this kit, not the design, however, but I believe Yujiao Land intentionally molded this and changed this. I could be wrong. If you look in the box art or promotional images, you will know that this would be flipped to the other side, so it shouldn't be identical. It's not a big issue for me, honestly. So I really could care less. Let's see here. The beam saber should be usable with the Bandai kit. That's if the beam saber has a square peg, not a round circle. However, I don't think it's too hard to modify it. But yeah, that's about it for this backpack. I guess the next thing I could do is show you guys what it will look like painted, perhaps in the next video. I know I have a deadline for this, which is November 12th, because November 13th will be the Seoul Cal Gundam modeling competition, which is hosted by those Gundam guys. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to show this off in a competition. It'll be my first one. I think it's really ambitious of me to build something like this. However, honestly, the backpack's the only new thing I need to figure out how to build, get that painted, and then after that, the funnels, and then the main body is just a piece of cake. Actually, hold on. Well, I guess while we're on the subject of like Hainu and Nu Gundam, here's also the beam rifle, fully test fitted. I didn't prime it yet, so there's that. Everything slides on well, surprisingly. And I'm kinda concerned how it's gonna hold. I know that this hilt has this handle has a peg, and it'll just peg into the hands, but they give you a ABS piece that is glued on here. I am not too confident in that because I don't think it's gonna work. I think in the Nu Gundam they didn't even bother to do it. But yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one.